is a major win. I would highly recommend it to anybody that has significant volume coming out of their warehouse. The intuitiveness of being able to pick up this system and use it immediately after learning it, the training time is just, it's incredible. Overall, the ROI on the system was amazing. The implementation, the batching software, powered by AI, the flexibility of the system, all those were wins with FastFetch. We implemented the solution right before our busy season. A few things. It was 4 times faster to train. It could speak English or Spanish. It doubled our productivity. I was able to go from 3 full shifts during the season down to 1 long extended 10-hour shift. It was a major win. We've been utilizing it for many years, and we even increased our carts from 40 to 60 carts. We batch singles, we batch multis, we batch single line, single unit orders in the same tote. Every cart is batched to drop off at a certain location. The WMS sends the orders to FastFetch, and then when I'm ready for a cart, it goes in, pulls out the best orders to minimize the pick path. That alone probably would have paid for itself. Over the years, our picking style has changed, our flow has changed. They can make the modifications to the back end. The responsiveness on any issues that we have had in the past is amazing.